Yesterday I really messed up my back pulling up the anchor.
So we're having engine glitches. Keeps shutting down. It shut down twice. Totally frosty out here. And now it's raining in here. Sam's gonna take over a couple of my morning duties, like putting a can of gas in. It sure is a beautiful morning. Sun's out. You can feel the heat from the sun. We did have a good layer of frost and a little ice on the boat this morning. It got down to about 20 degrees or so last night. We're going against current right now on the Tennessee. So we've been averaging around 4.5 knots or so, about half the speed as we were on the Mississippi. And we're going through about twice as much fuel. We're going through about 5 gallons for every 20-25 miles or so, which isn't great, but it's not horrible. And we've done very little sailing. We've had some really nice wind, it's just been right in our face. Let's check the fuel. What do we got here? Got about a half a tank. Yeah, let's do another. We went through about a half yesterday. So Rhapsody has the original 1972 Atomic 4 gasoline engine, 30 horses, 4-cylinder, and we were given a suggestion to use Marvel Mystery Oil in the gasoline, 4 to 6 ounces per 5 gallons, so we're pretty diligent with that.
Are you ready?
I'm not ready, but... yeah, so yesterday I tweaked my back pretty good pulling up the big anchor. I just re-injured it a couple weeks ago. I tweaked it pretty good, and because I was pulling too hard. And I was just about 100%, and then yesterday I tweaked it again. But yesterday it wasn't because I was pulling hard. I think I was just in a goofy position. So I'm going to attempt to pull this thing up now with a tweaked back. If not, we'll be spending another night in this fantastic anchorage. This island over here, it's a pretty big island. It's supposed to have goats on it, but we haven't seen any goats. So I don't know if that's true or not. And just see how this goes. Forward a little bit. Forward again a little bit. Okay.
Nice job, babe.
Not up yet.
Yeah.
Anchor's up.
Awesome.
Oh. Dang, back pain sucks.
It took some effort. I pushed through the pain, but I got the anchor up. We're back on our way up the Tennessee River.
Bye, anchorage. That was a great spot. Wow, there's caves, and look at those go right underneath those houses. Not exactly sure what's going on here. So we're having engine glitches. It keeps shutting down. It shut down twice. Suspecting it's a fuel filter or something. Potentially some bad gas, maybe a little water or something in the fuel. We just dropped RPMs down and we're cruising at about 3 knots right now, and it seems it's running fine now. It hasn't shut off, so we'll run it at low RPMs for a while, and then I'll raise the RPMs up a little bit and see how it reacts and if there's any other symptoms. If at high RPMs it starts to shut down again, then how it goes. Wow, there's a big house here, a big hill here with the house on top, and half the hill is gone, and it looks like it's coming right out from underneath the house. And the house is falling down. Wow! Was that a mudslide or something?
I wonder if that's
Like a mudslide here, like a water issue. It's 40 feet right here. And that's shore. I mean, it drops off incredibly fast. A little snack, a little cheese and crackers while we're underway. Doesn't need to be pretty. It's one nice thing about owning a coffee shop. Plenty of coffee. This was full when we left. Getting down there.
The motor kept acting up, so I dug out the spare fuel filter, swapped it out, and that did the trick.
Is that a heron right there?
yeah.
They're everywhere down here. For sale. Get our own piece of the rock.
As we work our way up the Tennessee River, you can't help notice there's something different about it. It's quiet, in a way that kind of pulls you in. It's not nearly as chaotic as the Mississippi. It feels smaller, a little more personal. The Tennessee River is as beautiful as the landscape it winds through. It's considered one of the most biologically diverse river systems in the U.S., with over 230 fish species and over 100 species of mussels. Native Americans traveled the Tennessee River for centuries. We can't help to think about how this vital waterway served as a living entity that connected communities, fostered trade, and shaped the cultural and physical landscape long before European arrival. We are literally passing over thousands of years of history.
So in about an hour, we're going to be over there. This makes a big wide corner, comes all the way around, back up, and then starts looping back down. It starts to get fairly curvy now. It's our anchorage for tonight. We're gonna move in just so we're out of sight, somewhere in the center. And yeah, this will be interesting since I'm really feeling my back tweak today. These will be our neighbors for the night. It should be a good anchorage tonight. We should have cell service and internet here. We're hoping. We haven't had cell service or internet for a few nights. Alright, let's call it good.
After a day of dealing with this back pain, I'm ready to get this anchor down, get some ibuprofen, and try to relax.
We'll touch reverse a little bit. Okay, 20 feet yet?
Is that alright?
Yep, 20 feet yet?
Yep.
Beautiful.
It's cold, my back hurts, but it's going to be a beautiful sunset tonight. And when there's a beautiful sunset, we try not to miss it. It's one of those things we love to do together.
Hey, babe. Pretty sunset, huh? Beautiful sky.
Thanks everyone for watching. We hope you're enjoying our videos from the river. Please subscribe to the channel, and even better, join the list of the Rhapsody crew listed on screen by becoming a patron. Coffee's on. We'll see you in the next one.
Rhapsody.